If you've been stuck suffering with sciatica no matter what you try, this new clinical development will give you actual relief. If you're struggling with sciatica, you're probably familiar with that sharp burning pain in your lower back, buttocks, or that shoots down your leg every time you try to stand up. With my patients, I see it firsthand. Struggling with sciatica can make life feel absolutely hopeless. Simple tasks like getting out of bed, sitting through a work meeting, or even going on a walk can become unbearable. And chances are you've had to give up activities you love. Maybe you can't exercise like you used to, or you avoid social gatherings because sitting too long is just too painful. But here's what you need to understand. Years of sitting, poor posture, and natural aging put excessive pressure on the lower back, which damages the spine's natural curve. This compression causes spinal discs to bulge out of place and press directly on the sciatic nerve, which is exactly what triggers that radiating pain down your hips, legs, or buttocks. While that sounds serious, there is a way to fix it by decompressing the spine and letting those damaged discs heal properly. The problem? Most people turn to solutions that just don't work. Pain medications only numb the pain temporarily. They help you ignore it while the actual problem continues to get worse. Chiropractors might provide short-term relief, but they're expensive and can't repair damaged discs. That's why so many patients spend thousands each year and still feel stuck. That's exactly why I teamed up with a group of physical therapists, chiropractors, and spine specialists to create a better solution, one that actually treats the root cause of sciatica, not just the symptoms. The Restore Lumbar Support Belt is designed to relieve pressure on your spine so it can decompress and heal itself naturally. It combines 5 proven therapies: heat, massage, red light, spine support rods, and focused compression into one wearable at-home device. Here's how it works. First, the spine support rods and focused compression gently realign and decompress the spine to take pressure off pinched nerves, eliminating that sharp, radiating pain. Next, red light therapy and heat penetrate deep into the back to boost blood circulation and directly heal the spine's damaged discs and nerves. Finally, it finishes with therapeutic massage that relaxes tight muscles and melts away all stiffness and tension so you can actually move and twist without pain. All of this helps to permanently rebuild your spine's natural structure so the results actually last. Wearing the Restore Belt for just 20 minutes a day helps reverse years of damage and restores the natural curve in your spine, targeting the real cause of sciatica. Since launch, 91% of patients reported noticeable relief after the first use, and most said they were completely pain-free within 6 to 8 days. For many, it was the first time in years they could sleep through the night or walk without fear of the next sharp stab of pain. What makes this different is that it creates lasting change, not just relief, but actual healing of your spinal structure. And don't just take my word for it. Here's Joe from California and what he had to say about how the Restore Belt helped him get his life back from sciatica.
So I've suffered from lower back pain and sciatica for years, and after trying like every doctor recommended medication, going to chiropractors, physical therapists, and even getting steroid injections, I felt lied to. Nothing made me feel better for more than a few hours, and I'd spent thousands just being stuck in the same debilitating pain. One day though, I stumbled onto this back pain and sciatica forum where I just saw tons of people preaching about this miracle therapy belt called Restore. After reading all the crazy transformational stories and seeing it cost a fraction of what I'd already paid, I ordered it. After just the first session, my back felt more aligned, relaxed, and the sciatic pain in my left leg was actually bearable. What I love is that not only does it support and relieve pressure in your back, but with the built-in heat and massage, it feels like I'm getting like a professional massage, but at home. Each session brought me just more and more relief, and at only about 14 days in, I could finally say I felt like my younger, pain-free self again. No stabbing pain in my back and leg, no sleepless nights, and I could peacefully enjoy my old activities again. My back felt stronger, more at ease, and finally free from just years of sciatica. If you're struggling with lower back pain and sciatica, save your time and money and get yourself a Restore Support Belt before they're all sold out.
If you've been living with sciatica, this device was built for you, so you can finally know what it feels like to live without pain. To make this completely risk-free, every order is backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't help, you get your money back. And right now, the Restore Belt is available at a limited time time 33% off discount, but we've already sold out 3 times this year, so stock may not last long. Don't let sciatica continue to control your life. Untreated disc compression leads to worsening pain, nerve damage, and mobility loss. You deserve to sleep peacefully, move freely, and enjoy the life you used to love. Click below to secure your Restore Belt today and take your first step toward a truly pain-free life.